Hi friends, how are you? Hope doing well and enjoying life. Today I will show you to find the most productive employee of your production team. Suppose you are a production manager or accountant or GM of your company and need to know that who is the most productive employee in your production team. Then please watch this video till end. Hi friends, I'm Suraj Kumar. Welcome you to my YouTube channel excel.online edutech. Here you can get content like MS Office, especially Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and further also Tally RP9 accounting package and knowledge related to technology and fundamentals of computers. So it's my humble request to you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon that you can get notifications when I upload a new video with new topic. Friends, I will upload 2 to 3 videos a week having different topics, but they all will relate to education only. So watch the video till end. So here I will open my Excel sheet with the data feeded as some examples already. You can see the data for some employees is recorded in a worksheet. They work as a varied number of hours each day, and by calculating the number of pieces each employee produces per hour, it can be determined who is the most productive employee. So suppose they are producing locks, so you'll have to make one sheet as per your employee list, and the first you'll see there is serial number. Second one, this is employee code. After that you can get the name of the employee, the number of the time they work, for each their separate time, and after that pieces of total production done by them in the appropriate time given, and that thereafter you will have to find that pieces per hour produced by the different employees. So you can find out who is the most productive employee. You will have to put one formula here. Is very simple. You will have to select number of pieces produced will be divided by, then you open one bracket, times total time they have worked to produce number of particular given number of pieces they have produced already, and then you will have to multiply it by 24, because you all know that a day is equal to 24 hours. In this time sheet, time column, you'll have to write time format like in hours and minute. One person work, for suppose employee 0A John, he works 5 hours and 50 minutes and he produces total number of 50 pieces of locks. So here what we do, we'll divide number of pieces by the time he has worked, and we'll get that he has produced on an average 8.57 locks per hour. Like this we'll go and see, we'll go and drag the formula till the end of our list. These are just the examples. You will have a bigger list, more employees, so you can easily find out. You can see here that the most productive employee is Mr. Imran, who has produces 22.37 locks in an hour average. His production is 23.27. So you see that easily how you can determine the most productive employee of your production team. So it is very simple. I repeat the formula, you'll get it here. It will be divided by number of pieces and the time works, and that will be multiply in from 24, because a day is of 24 hours, and then thereafter you can get a number of logs produced, or a number of items, whatever your production team is doing production, you can get it on an average per hour production. And here you see how easy it works. So thank you friends for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and keep waiting for the new topic on my channel. I will upload it. You'll hit the bell icon and you will easily get the notification when I upload a new video. Thank you. Have a nice day.